My name is Aksha. I am from class 5th. Today I am going to say about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah से करे दूर वो तालीम भी फितना, औलाद भी अमलाक भी जागीर भी फितना, ना हक के लिए उठे तो वो शमशीर भी फितना, शमशीर भी क्या नारे तकबीर भी फितना. Allah is the creator of this world. Allah is the sustainer of this world. He is merciful. He is the Lord of the day of judgment. Nothing on the earth hidden from Allah. We need to be careful. He is all seeing. He is all hearing. My dear kids, He has full knowledge of everything. I know the day on which I was born. It is my birthday. Allah was never born. He always was. He always will be. He is so great. He gives life, He cures sick, He gives death. Allah is merciful. Allah made the day for us. Allah made the night for us. He is so great. He is very near to us. He helps in difficulties. It is who has gifted with me hearing and sight. It is who has gifted with me hearing and sight. Allah gave me mouth. Allah gave food to eat. To every man on the earth, to every animal on the earth, to every bird in the sky, to anything that has life. He is favored to us. Yes, He wants us thankful to Him. He wants us to be consistent of Him. He wants us to be worship Him alone, to Him only. Yes, He turns for help. Thank you for listening and giving Him attention to me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khair.